Hey, George Raptis here, Mike Town Associates Realtor in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Here's a question I get all the time that I want to share with you. I want to sell my home, but the fear is I don't know where to go. As we know, home prices have continued to rise, which means that we have more equity in our home available to us now. What we can do is tap into that equity without having to sell our home first. We can get you into your new home before we even sell your old home. There are a number of bank options that we need to explore to find out the best way to customize that plan for you. Call me at 260-710-1834. In these very uncertain times, I want to be your guide to provide you the experience that you deserve in selling and purchasing your home.